Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Casa Rosa. This is their General Tao's chicken, made in Canada, but this was on sale, that's why I picked it up. And let me show you guys. The nutrient panel, if you guys want to read it, pause the video, and the ingredients are right there. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna cook it in my Instant Pot actually. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so I got it all cooked up here. Let's do a quick taste test. The rice is really good because they used that jasmine rice, I believe. So yeah, it's got good flavor. It's got some heat to it. Yeah, it's pretty good, guys. Definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, let's go subscribe to the channel.